Let's go grocery shopping for a family of 2 with 2 dogs for this week. A little cube cheese for the dogs because these are one of their favorite little treats. We need some sliced cheese for some sausage, egg, and cheese biscuits for breakfast next week for work. Bananas for one of our fruits this week. We did get a farmer's market haul, but that will be coming out on Monday. Found this cup of noodles for $1.69 and it has 20 grams of protein. So we're going to give this a try and see if it's worth it. This is one of my favorite everything bagel seasoning. It is the jalapeno flavor. Restock on our Greek yogurt plain. This week at Aldi, they do have their organic chicken breast at 50% off. So this one's like $6.20, so you'll pay $3.10. There's a $8.51, and there is different prices. I'm not sure if we are going to get some this week. We will check the prices and I'll let you know if we do. I'm going out to dinner tonight, so Jared actually wants to cook this and eat tacos and actually take this to work next week as well. Picking up some sausage patties for our bacon, egg, and cheese, not bacon, but sausage, egg, and cheese biscuits. This is everything that we're going to get at Aldi, so let's go and check out and see how much we are going to be spending. $26.69 is what we spent at Aldi. Next up is Walmart. Literally the best chicken tenders, and they taste like real chicken, not the imitation chicken that you see in Tyson or Just Bear. I think these are the best. Sourdough bread for some egg salad sandwiches for lunch next week. Need some espresso pods for my protein coffee this week. So this is a little bit of a splurge, but I found a low calorie sweet treat that I'm going to try, and it requires Oreo thins. The sweet treat also requires chocolate graham crackers, and then we need some light whipped cream. Say it with me, the best milk. We need some biscuits for the sausage, egg, and cheese for breakfast. Restock on our eggs. And Jared's actually buying this with his money. I don't drink Mountain Dew, but he's been looking for this. And he's also getting this for his tacos that he's going to make. The only mayonnaise you need in your life. We're picking up some Zyrtec. There is a $5 Ibotta rebate that we are going to apply to this one. And then also we are actually going to be using our medical sinking fund and not our grocery fund. Medical sinking fund is for our co-pays, any medication that we have to pay. So I never tried protein powder, but I need it for the dessert that I'm making. So we're going to just try this and see if I actually like protein powder. And if I don't, then I will never buy another brand of protein again. And then lastly, we're going to pick up 2 bags of these Quest protein chips for my egg salad sandwiches this week. This is everything that we're going to get at Walmart, so let's go and check out.